Hello, hello. What is going on, everyone? Good morning. Hope you guys all had a great weekend. I'm just going to give this a couple minutes, let some more people hop on, and we will get moving. All right, let's get into it. So, the same level, guys, that has been acting as resistance for the past 2 or 3 days, from last Wednesday all the way up until Friday, as well as the pre-market right now. That key level we are focusing on is 451.19. This is a known resistance area. Once we hold this level as a support, guys, we will be getting calls to 452 to even 453. That is how the chart is set up right now. Before I am buying anything, I would like to see this gap filled. The previous close for SPY is 450.79. So add this line to your chart, the previous close, if you have not yet. And this area here is what we're focusing on. We're waiting for a rejection of 451.19, and we're looking for support or a rejection from 450.79. So I'm going to be writing down the key levels right now. Just bear with me. Sniper Bot, are you in the chat? Yes, you are. Okay, write these down in the key levels, Sniper Bot, please. And I'll write these in the on YouTube. Where was it going? There you go. So, okay, so the best key level is going to be 451.19. If we see a support, I will hit calls to 452. PCP 450.79. If we see a rejection, I will enter puts till 450.35 to 450 to 450 flat. So the same range as yesterday, or Friday, sorry. We're in the same range. Still, as of the pre-market right now, our major key level, guys, is still acting as a resistance. It's been a resistance for quite some time. So this is the level where if it becomes support, you do not enter puts, because this will rip probably up a full dollar to a full 2 points on SPY once this level becomes a support. If you were to buy calls at this level as a support, I would personally just bring it to Friday's pre-market high, me myself. I don't trust holding for that long, but what the chart is telling us, guys, if we end up holding this as support, we will see a massive move to the upside. I don't feel that confident in buying puts at this key level. Pretty much the resistance of Friday. So the high of Friday, guys, it's the exact same pre-market highs as well. This is another level you can add to your charts, 451.41. I do like this level. But it all depends on how we react to 451. If this acts as a support, I'm definitely not doing puts here. But if we get like a big 5-minute bar through this key level and it hits this key level, then I will enter puts for the retest of 451.19. That's how I'm going to be playing today, especially if this gap is not filled. But I think over 452, I wouldn't even touch a put, me personally. And if we do get a sell-off, guys, we're going to be looking at the support from yesterday, last trading day on Friday. So 450.23 was a nice level right here to hit calls at. 450.23, if you're looking at my screen, a great level for calls. If we break this level, the next level is going to be 450, which is also a great level for calls, as well as 449.67. So instead of just buying each key level that you see, I have been learning I have to have a little bit more patience because they like to overextend these plays at these key levels. So just because we're at my key level, like if we hop back down to 450.23, I will wait until we break through it. I'm not going to buy on the line. I'm going to try to get the best price possible around the 450 mark. That's what I plan to be doing, because I've been noticing the last couple trading days, especially trading with my smaller account. You see how when it's going through a level, it just like this level right here, 450.23. You see how we would have came down to it. This is exactly where I hit calls on Friday, and I had to end up putting in a full size position. We broke all the way through, and we did not retest it. We went all the way to 450, or 449.67. So SPY is tending to overshoot my key levels. So I'm going to start having a little bit more patience before just buying in, because that's just what SPY has been telling me. Okay, it's overshooting a bunch of levels. For like here, for instance, you see if we would have bought at 450.35, it went all the way to our next key level. So just watch the price action, watch the 1 minute time frame at the key level, and we'll see how we are reacting. Because they have been faking out both sides lately. So you have to be very, very careful putting your money into a trade, especially if you don't have the safest contracts and you're not buying at the same level, at the best level. You have to be very, very careful, because there are fake out candles in both directions consistently. So what I plan to do today, once we are at my level, I'm going to wait for the next 5 minute candle to enter. I'm not going to buy the first candle that touches. I'm going to wait for the next 5 minute candle. And that's just so I don't get faked out. And if I end up missing the boat, I just won't get in. I'll just leave it. Because the range we're in right now is a very volatile range. We're probably sitting in around $1, $2 range at best. So that's what we have to be paying attention to. So my game plan for today, I tell everyone I like to pre-plan my trades. I want puts in this zone here. As long as 451.19 is not, you don't see a wick of support, I will be entering puts in this zone. And I also will be looking for calls at the previous close. We have the 200 EMA on the 1 minute, and very close to the 200 EMA on the 5 minute as well. So if we come down to this level, it will be a great level for calls here to our buy zone here. In this buy zone, you can just see why. It was previous resistance on Thursday, and then we made it previous support on Friday. So once we come back down to it, we already know this is a support right here. This is a level to enter calls. Shout out Jeffrey Kane. What's going on, bro? But okay, guys, that's my game plan. So keep it short and simple, man. Wait. And if you see 419 or 451.19 support, SPY is going to rip. I promise you it's going to rip. Avoid puts at that level. Wait for the confirmation. Even if you have to sit out and wait for the next 5 minute candle, do it. Even wait 10 minutes. Play the confirmation. As of right now, SPY is looking pretty bullish. So I'm not in love with the fact that I'm going to be buying puts up here, but I will play it. If we do break out of this level, my stop loss will be above this level. if I'm entering. But again, I don't play the first 5-minute candle, so I'll be able to know how bullish or bearish we are at that level. Okay, that's it. Anyone have any questions before we exit the stream for the day? Anyone want me to look at any particular stock? Let me know. But as of right now, guys, I'm playing 451.19 and previous close. These are the levels that I'm pretty confident we will bank on. And if we end up getting a big move to either side, especially to the downside, the best level for calls is going to be 450 to 450.23, this zone in here, just because history has shown us that this is the best level to be buying. And when I mean best level to be buying, I'm talking about micro price action, guys. I'm sniping these plays. So if I would buy calls here, I would ride them to the 200 EMA on the 5 or the previous close personally. But okay, guys, YouTube, I'm going to get going, guys. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate all your support. I will be back on tomorrow morning. And if you need anything, just write them in the comments in my last video, and I will be sure to answer all your questions. I'm heading over to the Discord now. We will be live streaming for the morning. So I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.